Alrighty, let's have a look see at this. Let's get that YouTube dashboard up. There it is. Look at the analytics. Excellent, I can see my stream now. I should probably get my phone up too. It's a lot easier to look at it on my phone. Hero. Hero, hero. There we go. Alright, got my tools up so I can see what's happening on the streams. Probably good to start looking at things now. That's not right. Why is my... I have to restart my PC. Let me just have a quick look at my display configuration. Because that is not what it should be. That's showing half of one screen and half of the other screen. That's super weird. Okay, let's try changing that back to 100. Maybe change that to 100. No, not fixing anything. Refresh desktop maybe? No. Ah, yeah, we're just gonna have to restart. Alright, don't worry, stream won't die. I got a super cool setup. Except when it does stuff like this. Alright. Yep, that looks decent. Just a quick little restart. Yeah, it's super broken. I can see it's broken. Dun dun dun. Alright, so today I'm going to be working on making a balloon popping game. Probably going to be focusing on adding functionality to the gold balloons, because that'd be pretty cool. That's probably the next thing I really need to do to get the game mode pretty complete. And after that we might work on tracking the user's score maybe? Possibly? Not too sure yet, that'll be a bit complicated to get into, but I mean we gotta start doing it at some point. Yeah. There's a few bits of refactoring we gotta do to existing systems too. Like, we need a way to swap out balloons for the cosmetic balloons that users can select and purchase. I'm not sure how I want to approach that yet. We'll figure it out though. We'll figure it out. Oh, this process doesn't want to stop today. That's funny. Look at this. Zoomed bottom left. It's trying to close. Alright, it's closed now, nice. Right. Hero. Hero, hero. I'm on PC, reboot. I wonder what caused the desktop to get all funky. I'm sure it was working last time. I don't think I've restarted since then. Should be able to see the screen again in a second. Like that nowish, maybe? Doing something. Yeah, that looks pretty normal. Except for the fat fact is a bit wrong though. Uh-oh. It's alright, we can fix that. I mean, it's just because the lock screen hasn't booted into the configuration yet. Nope, it's still broken. Bruh. Alright, we have to fix that. Why is that broken? See, that's on the center of the screen for you. It's in between my two screens for me. Oh. Let's try that. Oof. Yeah, keep it to that. A replica of that. There we go, that fixed it. All fixed, now we can get started. Hell yeah. God, that was a lot of effort. So let me refresh all 200 of my Chrome tabs. Very important. Stack Overflow, what's this? Okay, yeah, I need that. Those. Minimize these ones. Want that on my main screen. No, CS2 is updated, cool. Alright, next up I'm gonna open up Unity Hub and get cracking and nope, that's probably about it. Get my project open. No, I'll have to relog into that. So many things, so many things. But we're almost there. There we go. Alright, so what do we want? We want the balloon script. We don't need to do with wave or wave manager. Balloon spawner maybe. Balloon and squat manager. Yeah, those would be the ones we're mainly interested in. So the gold balloon is going to affect the balloon script, I think. We're going to want to change the grow factor, probably. And I want it to get recalculated. Does that get created on start? Yeah, down here, growth factor, yeah. Over grow time by scale. So basically, we want to decrease the grow time by like 20% or something. We should just be able to increase that number by something. Some variable. Alright, so around here, public void update grow factor. Something like that. Gonna want a public method where we can change the grow factor. And we want to float new grow factor. And we want another method here actually to get the old grow factor. Public float get grow factor. And that's gonna return the grow factor. And this here can be grow factor equals new grow factor. Nice. So you can retrieve the old grow factor, modify it, and put in the new grow factor. So we can make it like 20% bigger or whatever. Should be what we're probably gonna do. Yeah, something like that. I think is a good idea. So next, balloon gold. We're gonna want a. So first of all, we're gonna want to link to the balloon so we can call its scripts. So serialize field, private balloon, nope, balloon, my balloon. We'll call it that because it's a balloon attached. It's attached to. Serialize field, just because we're gonna make these things private. Private, float, growth modifier, something like that. So how much the growth factor gets modified? Growth factor modifier, maybe we could call it. There we go. Yeah. And what do we do? Probably on mouse down. So public void on mouse down. Yeah, on mouse down. We want to get the balloon, take my balloon, dot update get grow factor. Yep, something like that. Cool. So old growth factor equals that. And then we want to update the new one. So my balloon to update growth factor by growth factor modifier. There we go. Bam. Done. That's how we update the old amount that grows by into the new amount. Simple as that. Now, I should probably check before we get going into the stream that my microphones make it sound as it is. Excellent. Cool, cool. Alright. And we want to change that to 1 plus that. Alright, so it's gonna go faster when we click on it. Cool. Now we're gonna drag balloon on it, drag that onto it. So we're gonna do that in the starter update functions, probably not. While we're here, should probably update the gold balloon prefab with our new stuff. So first we'll click on that. We want him to have clicks to pop. Let's set that to 3. Points can be like 10. Give us more points. Yep. And we want to add that new script onto him. Balloon gold. There we go. Script moved. If I only like move up. There we go. That's better. I like my scripts be next to each other. Growth factor modifier can be like, we'll just make that 3. Maybe I should make him grow a lot faster. Yeah. Yeah, let's try that. And then next we really just need to implement him in as a spawnable in the balloon spawner. So let's go have a look at the balloon spawner. Where is that? Top left. The balloon spawner. We got quite a bit going on in this script, but basically, we need new value. So, have a look at my balloon spawner. Total balloons is 20. Yep, cool. So. Total balloons. Total normal balloons. We'll rename that. And fix that up in the editor. Oh, hang on. Yep. Fix all the errors. Head back to the editor. That'll be reset to 0. And we just change that to that. Bam bam. Cool cool. Alright, so we got total normal balloons now. And we're gonna want a public int total gold balloons. So where does this get used? I want to make a function here. Private void get total balloons equals return total normal balloons plus total gold balloons. Public int. There we go. Nice. Now, in many spots we've used this total normal balloons, we need to change that to get the total balloons. And get total balloons is greater than 0. Nice. And then again, we need to look at the next spot that's used. There we go. Yeah, I would say this is going to need some significant reworking. Alright, so in wave balloon count. int wave normal balloon count equals that. Alright, and then int wave gold balloons count. I'll add some logic to do there. To do implement. So we're gonna have to like take a percentage chance that a gold balloon spawns or something, and whack him in. Something like that, but we need some logic to make sure that they always spawn before the end of a round too. So that'll get a little complicated, but we'll figure it out. Maybe for like wave size of 0, just spawning gold balloons or something. I don't know, we'll figure it out. Int wave balloon, wave balloon count equals wave normal balloon count plus wave gold balloon count. Alright, wave manager will have to be adjusted to account for adding in different types of balloon. And yeah, that's about that there. Sure there'll be some more that's going on there. So what wave? Manage wave. Here. What do we do with the wave? Do we do anything with the wave? Not balloon instance equal potential random balloon. Alright, so you take an array here and do stuff like that, yep. So this needs to be for each type of thing. Yeah. That needs to be for all the normal balloons. I'm actually doing it again for the gold balloons. So this will be want to turn it into a function basically. That takes the list that it's pulling from. Yeah. That's okay, we can do that. So private void spawn balloon. And we're gonna need a list of game object balloon valid balloons. No, that doesn't, no, can't call that, balloon, spawnable balloons. There we go. Let's copy and paste our code from before. There we go, that there. And convert that into a function. So, first of all, I think we can get rid of those. we're gonna need the wave as well. And int balloon count. Nice, I got rid of a whole bunch of problems. Now we just need to convert the function. Alright, so let's read through it. So if a number of balloons we're going to spawn, we go through and spawn them. That's cool, nice. Balloon count though, is that counting for 0? And it does over here. Let's have a look at this function. Random range, some balloons X, some balloons Y. Plus 1. Yeah, so we add 1 onto the things. Cool. Yeah, to make it so it's above 0. Yeah, that's good. That's what I want. Or something. I don't know. It works. Let's not worry about it too much. Worry about it if it stops working. Alright. Alright, so spawn bound entry stuff can stay the same, that's fine. Random bounds ranges, that can stay the same, we just pick in a random spot within the range. Yeah, that's calculating the position in it. Now, this is where we need to start worrying about this. So, the balloons we can spawn is we're going to get from the spawnable balloons. Dot to array. Array number equals range, dot balloons, dot to length, random balloon equals balloons, dot random number. So that will make it work for any of those lists. Balloon instance equals, pick the random balloon, random position component, random balloon component, get the component of balloon. So what do we need the balloon component for? We put in the start, final scales, and grow times. If we are overriding them, and we assign it to the wave. Cool. And wave doesn't really care. The wave might care what the balloon is. Yeah, we have to update the wave. Right, let's just find that. Clear that out. That's a bit simpler. So what was it? We're going to call the wave balloon count. Not wave normal balloon count. Cool, cool, cool. That's what we want. Everything's happening. Hip hop happening. So that should leave us exactly where we are. We haven't added any new functionality yet. We're just spawning in the normal balloons that we already spawned in the same way. I don't know, why is that an expensive method invocation? Probably because I'm doing that. Yes. That's all good. Don't care about that. Hmm. So now we need to start figuring out these gold balloons. So wave equals new wave manager, wave hit normal balloons, wave normal balloon count. So we need to implement the number of gold balloons. So there's balloon spawner. We got what? Valor balloons, shadow normal balloons, shadow gold balloons. I feel like we should make another class in here, honestly. For these gold balloons, which has their chance to spawn. Yeah, let's do that. So, public class, my class, valid gold balloons, public float chance to spawn, and then public list gold balloons, maybe? And then change that to system.serializable. And then down here we do a public valid gold balloons. Gold balloons. Something like that. And then let's go have a look at how that looks in the editor. You like my shirt? Yeah, hell yeah. Hey, Timid, how you doing? Timmy? There we go. Chance to spawn. Excellent. We got our gold balloons in here. Now we can have a float here, floaty float, of whatever the chance is. And we can probably make that a range too. You doing good? How are me? I'm doing pretty good. I'm working on making my game. So yeah, let's change it. So it's gonna be between 0 and 1, right? The chance to spawn, so do that as a range, 0 to 1. Go back to the editor. And nice, now we've got a nice little slider here that we can drag. It's either 100% chance or not that they'll spawn. Oh, actually, it could be more than 100%. Didn't think about that. The words and little bubble things that say Link Straight, read the Australian is autistic. Oh my god. Maybe we could have a chance to spawn additional. That could work. Okay. No, that's just getting complicated. How do we do this? You're currently writing shit. Oh hell yeah. You ADHD'd? Oh no, what are you doing? What are you writing? Let's think about this for a second. You've written 2 pieces, whoa! Of music, I assume? That's a lot. Or is this back to your assignments? This saxophone and the modes. These are hair different colors since the last time. So yeah, and yeah, music. Sick, nice. Different color again, that was soon. That was very soon. You're procrastinating your assignments? Oh no. Maybe we could do a random pick, a weighted random pick that leans much more towards spawning 1 than it does anything else. You had a crisis and mirror witnessed you dying it again accidentally. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Really don't know how I want to handle this now. Like, do I just have one balloon spawn, or have a chance for multiple spawn? Or do I... Now let's just leave it at this for now, between 0 and 1, yeah. We'll figure it out later. Also, maybe chance of 0 is not what we want either. Ah, fuck it. Just screw the range off. We'll set it to whatever we want. Yeah, we'll figure that out later. Alright. So, what were we doing here? We're going back down to spawning the balloons. Not there, down here. So, wave balloon count equals... I bet it was very embarrassing. The wave gold balloon count. So how many gold balloons are we going to spawn? So we need to do wave manager dot get wave balloon count, and it's going to have to be a similar function to this one. So the max balloons. Yeah, we can actually probably just use the same function. It works. But we just need some additional logic before we do it, so... Yeah, that's some pretty good code there, but that's not what I want. So if... what do I call it? Gold balloons. Total gold balloon. Valid gold balloons dot... did we never make one? Where is it? Where's this hide? Valid balloons dot valid gold balloons. Valid balloons dot valid gold balloons dot chance to spawn is greater than 0. I want to run some logic, so var gold balloon count. Something like that? Why doesn't that like me? Equals 0. Actually, we'll just... God damn it. Why is the whole line highlighted? Make that an int. Int gold balloon count. Cool. So what are you up to today, Timmy? Still procrastinating, or you gonna write more music, get started on those assignments, have some fun, watch me stream? What are you doing? That's a gold balloon count is equal to, so if we got greater than 0 chance to spawn gold balloons, yep, that is greater than 0, and total gold balloons is greater than 0. Calculate this. So we want to we want to get a random chance. Do we want to roll a dice, right? So if we set that to 20%, we want yeah, so we're gonna do a math.random. I think I got some randoms in here. Random.range between 0 and that. Alright, so random.range 0 and goblin chance. Where's that? Where'd I hide that? Valid balloons dot goblins dot chance to spawn, and we save that to a variable. Float chance to spawn equals that. So if chance to spawn is greater than we need to figure this out, hang on. Alright, we gotta think about this a bit. So let's grab a calculator. Alright. So we got a 0.2% chance to spawn, right? What happens if we multiply that by 1? That equals 1 multiplied by 0.2 equals 0.2. Alright. That's not what we want. One plus 1 multiplied by 0.2 equals 1.2. Oh, why can't I see? Oh yeah, that's better. I want to see things. Why can't I see what I'm typing in? I think I put it in science mode to show me. So 1 plus, nah, it just shows us on the side. Alright, cool. Back to simple mode. Alright. Nah, it's not gonna work. Need a way to compare that random range we got. So the easiest thing to do would be pick a random number between 0 and 1, right? And see if the chance to spawn is greater than or equal to the random range number we got. That's not going to let us spawn multiple though, but we could probably fix that pretty easily later. So yeah, let's do that. So what, 1 times random number between 0 and 1, yeah, we get 0.3. 0.2 greater than that, yeah, cool. Yeah, that works. Alright, so 0 and 1, yeah. Big boy maths, yeah. Alright, that works. If chance to spawn is greater than equal to valid balloons dot gold balloons dot chance to spawn, and then we get the gold balloon count. So gold balloon count will equal 1. Equals 0, equals 1. Just for now, keep it simple. Gold balloon count equals 1. To do implement logic to allow for spawning multiple within the wave size. Cool. All right. Equals gold balloon count. Nice. So I got the normal balloons, get the gold balloons. We got the total balloons. We got total normal balloons being up. There you go. We want to take that off the wave normal balloon count. Total gold balloons minus equals wave gold balloon count. Wave equals wave balloon count, probably. Number of balloons in the total wave, and then we probably just num balloons. Alright, cool. So we need to add some more logic down here. If so, what are we doing here? Let's add some comments so we know what we're doing. // calculate size of wave. And normal wave balloon count. No, all right. Actually, yeah, hang on. Where's that getting used? Yeah, we can do this. We're doing this backwards, yeah. Let's get rid of that. Move that here. So the wave balloon count equals the random range, right? Total normal balloons. Why is that total? Plus, wasn't there a total balloons? Get total balloons. Bow, bow, bow. All right, cool. Equals wave balloon count minus wave gold balloon count. wave balloon count equals no. Oh, we don't need that anymore. Yep. Cool. Oh my god, this is getting complicated. Alright, yeah, we need to add some comments in. So, we're doing calculate size of wave. Calculate number of gold balloons. If total normal balloons is less than or equal to 0, we want to do something as well. So we got a problem here. If there's no normal balloons left, we need to spawn the gold balloons. Which is important. So if there's no normal balloons left, total gold balloon count equals wave balloon count. Boom, simple as that. Now to spawn all the remaining balloons. So if no normal balloons left, spawn the number of balloons randomly generated. If normal conditions, calculate chance to spawn gold balloon based on chance. Done. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Cool, and then the wave gets the balloons added to it, does it? Up here? The balloon gets assigned to the wave. Right, the wave just has a number, it doesn't actually know what balloons are in it. I think that's how that works. Cool. Nice. We go back to balloon gold. We want to add another field here. Private float. Points bonus modifier. So how many bonus points do you get based on your current points to pop on a gold balloon? This needs to run after the other script though. Yeah, so it's going to be, I think it's a little bit complicated. What do you think about this? No. C++ is for Unreal Engine. They are coded in C++. Unity transforms C# code into C++, at runtime or before runtime, depending on the backend you use, whether you use Mono or IL2CPP. I don't think you can directly code in C++. I could be wrong on that, but I don't think so. Alright, so the points bonus modifier. Blink 182. Honestly, we probably just add it down here. There we go. So, down here where we go, I'll mouse down. If balloon gold what does balloon gold got? Bonus points modifier. Well, I'm not fully sure, Kong. What game am I making? I'm making a balloon popping game. So I can show it off in a second. But basically, the faster you pop the balloons, the higher score you'll get. There'll be two different game modes to start with. There'll be a normal game mode where a certain number of balloons will spawn in total. They'll spawn in waves, so you get between 1 and 4 balloons every couple of seconds, and you pop them, you get points. If you pop them all before the next wave spawns, you'll get more points. And yeah, at the end, you'll get your score, so you can compete against yourself. There'll be a second game mode, a limited game mode, where you have lives, and the balloons, same sort of deal. The balloons will be there to pop, they'll spawn in waves. If you don't pop one, if it disappears before you pop it, then you'll lose points. I think that's pretty cool. We might add more game modes in the future, but those are my targets for release. Alright, Unity coding. What languages can I code with in Unity? Oh, apparently you can write in C++. Rust, Iron, Python, and Lua. I don't know how, but apparently you can. Yeah, Rust, Lua, C++, and whatever Iron Python is. I wouldn't recommend it, but yeah. The chill go. Oh, thanks, Retro Mixers. You're the best. Alright. Let's go. Oh yeah, I should probably drop a Discord link at some point too. Just give me a second to copy that for you guys. Yeah, if anyone wants to join the Discord from the YouTubes, There's a link to it. Alright, balloon. So if it's a gold balloon, we want to invoke the bonus points modifier. Let's rename that to bonus points modifier since it's what I keep calling it. Alright, so public float get bonus points modifier, and we'll return 1 plus bonus points modifier so that it's a 1.2 or whatever. Make it a bit simpler to write in our head. And we'll go over here. So balloon gold. So balloon gold dot. So score manager dot. I get the waypoints. Let's figure this out. Gonna need the score manager now. Yep, so public int get wave points. This would be an easy way to start handling this stuff. No, sorry, get points. Get points. No, we're gonna want to make a separate method for this. Oh shit. Oh no, it runs after add waypoints. Let's check add waypoints real quick. So where does finalize waypoints get pulled from? Balloon.remove from wave. And where do we call that from? It's in the balloon class. Balloon.onMouse down. Ah, there we go. So we've got to run this after that. Cool. Alright, so Timothy, you love the onion. Isn't it a great emoji? Look at that. You put some glasses on it. Hell yeah. You're joining the Discord? Hell yeah. Thanks, guys. You're all doing great stuff today. Alright, so get points. We want to return just the points. We'll head over to here. Score manager.get points. Oh, we don't want to add waypoints. We want to add points. So now I need an add points function too. Public void add points. Int points to add. Alright, add points, score manager.get points, multiplied by balloon gold dot. Did you call? Okay. Get bonus points modifier. And we want to math.ceiling that. Math.ceiling that to an int. We want to round that up to an int. We'll be generous at that point, so we'll always round up. Cool. So, if it's a gold balloon, when it pops, it will add its points to the wave bonus. It'll finalize that wave bonus when we remove it from the wave, which finalizes the wave bonus points. Yep. And then if it's a gold balloon, it'll add some bonus points to the total points pool by whatever amount that is. So the later on in the game you get these, the better it'll be. Maybe we should wait till the end of the game to add the bonus points in, actually. Yeah, that's probably a better thing to do. Yeah, we'll add a note in for that. To do, make score manager track how many gold balloons have been popped and apply the bonus at the end of the game. So the reason we'd want to apply it at the end of the game is to make it fair for the player, right? If they get unlucky and get gold balloons spawning early on, they're going to get less points from them. So I don't really have a way to trigger this right now, but basically if it's the last balloon popped, we're going to want some sort of trigger to happen that'll cause a whole bunch of things to happen. Toast and Jam. I'll add you as a visitor, so you get talking permissions and stuff. Cool, cool, cool. Alright, yeah, so for now we won't bother with that. We'll just leave it this way so we can test things, but it'll help. And we're probably about ready to start testing this. I don't think we got any errors. Oh, oops, didn't mean to close it. Alright, yeah, let's have a look-see. Put that to 1. You get a really high chance to spawn. Go over to the gold balloon. We check him out. He's got growth factor of 3, so start growing really fast. Bonus points modifier, we'll set that to 2, double our points, or triple our points or something. We'll set that to 1. 1 plus 1, 200%. That should be like, I don't know, something crazy. Yeah, 200%. Should double our points or something. I don't know. We'll figure it out. Ideally a gold balloon, probably have a smaller grow time too, but we'll figure that out later. I think we'll start him off smaller, make him grow a bit. Something. Make him not grow as big. We'll leave the growth time at the same at the moment. Clicks to pop 3, points 10. Yep, cool. Let's give this a go. So first of all, we need to see if they spawn. And then if we get the bonus points from them. So none yet. Oh, there we go. No, that's just a yellow one. No. Didn't see any. That's not right. Balloons 20. Yellow, green, red, clone. Yellow, yellow, green. Yellow. Yeah, hang on, we've got something wrong in our code here. It's not spawning our balloons. You know what? I don't think I gotta call this twice, don't I? Yeah, I didn't call this. So spawn balloon wave. Wave gold balloon count. Valid balloons dot valid dot gold balloons dot gold balloons. There we go. That should fix it. Dun, dun. Don't forget to drop a sub on YouTube or a follow on Twitch if you're enjoying the content. There's a gold balloon, I think. Red, green, green, green. Red. Red. Yeah, I've spent quite a while learning coding. I don't see any gold balloons there either. I'm gonna watch this left side of the screen and focus on that, see if they actually spawn. Blue, black, purple, green, green, red, purple, black, yellow, green, red, green, black, purple, Blue, yellow, green, red, purple, blue, black. No, that's not spawning. Why aren't they spawning? Oh, did I not set the balloon spawner chance for them to spawn? Oh, yeah, total gold balloons is 0. That's our problem. Ha! I'm an idiot. See over here? I didn't set any to spawn. Let's set that to like 5. While we're at it, so you need a unit. You don't even know C# yet. You're good at coding at least. Oh yeah, I did respond to that. Yeah, so I've spent quite a while learning coding. I'm still pretty new to Unity though. I'm still learning how to use Unity, but it's not too hard. It's pretty well implemented. Alright, update total number of balloons that should be appearing on screen and hit go. That's red. Go to normal balloons. She still has to, is that a gold? No, it's a yellow. That, no. Well, we're not getting any yet. There's our gold balloons. Oh, there we go. Yeah, they start growing a lot faster. Cool. Yeah, they're hard to pop. Where did I learn C#? I didn't. Fun fact. I learned Java. That's not too hard. Boy, that's because you're a genius. Shush, child. Oh, thanks, Tim. So, Java is very similar to C#. I learned Java mostly on codecademy.com, a little bit from some friends who know it, who went through school for it. And yeah, it was just fairly easy for me to translate Java to C# because they're very similar languages. They're basically the same. It's like Microsoft's version of Java, basically, is what C# is. But codecademy.com is a great website for learning code if you need it. It's got a lot of different programming languages on there. Oh, my game froze. So popping that was no good. Something about that he didn't like. I managed to pop that time. Yeah, whole Unity froze. Cool. Alright, kill all Unity. Oops. That's what I wanted to. Oh, god damn it. Kill all Unity. So we got a bug somewhere there. Something that crashes Unity. That's alright. So I'll type it in chat. Codecademy. Because there's one called Codecademy, another one called Codeacademy. And the one that I've just written down in chat is the one that I use. Alright, so gotta figure out a few things here. Like, why the hell did my game crash? Maybe the balloon's growing too fast. Does removing it from the wave do anything else? No. Yeah, let's make these gold balloons grow a bit slower. Oh, can you even see what I'm messing with there? Not really. I'll zoom back out. So maybe we want to make these have a really slow grow time, but they don't grow as big. Alright, maybe like 0.1 to 0.9. Set the grow time to like 8. So you click on them and it just like burns up faster. And maybe reduce that down to 2. Yeah, that looks pretty good. Try that again. Ah, right. And we should try and figure out this bug with why they're not spawning to last. What's going on here? If total normal balloons is less than equal to 0, gold balloon count equals whatever the wave balloon count is. Otherwise, oh, hang on, we might have a problem with that chance to spawn here. I set that to 1, didn't I? Have a look at this. Goblins, chance to spawn. What? Oh. Something died. Oh, we are well unsaved. We lost a lot of progress. We didn't save in a while, did we? That's okay. Chance to spawn. Range between 0 and 1F. So right. Maybe I should make it less than equal to. Yeah, I think I should be less than equal to. We might have had reversed signs there. You want to continue on your Unity project, but you have a horrible computer, so you're going to have to open this up on your TV. You won't be able to chat anymore. That's all good, Retro Mixers. Welcome to the community. I hope you enjoy being part of the Onion Empire, where we hang out with the brown onions and assist them in their war against the red onions. And lately, we're making games to pursue that effort. Alright, so that should fix that problem. Let that compile. And try again, maybe? Yeah. Try again. Let's see if they start spawning. Well, not there. Still haven't spawned yet. They're still gonna spawn last. Maybe both signs were reversed? Oh, I set the chance to spawn to be 0. Oh, lol. There's one. 10 points. 21 points. 31 points. And frozen again. Something about it's breaking. Unity's crashing when it goes to destroy the game object. Am I? Google Cardboard, amazing to make games for. I got VR headsets, I don't have Google Cardboard though. Alright, so next up. Add points. Lol, we're not adding the points. That's hilarious. Well, that's why I had bonus points weren't working there. Even better, you're making a Duntricle. It turned out it's kind of nice having a portable heater. Unity plus YouTube, so you'll continue here. Awesome. A Duntricle, that sounds pretty cool. Yeah, for VR games, I want to make a just like a farming simulator sort of thing, like where you manually harvest the crops and grow them, and you get some sort of like coins, and then like you can use them to like purchase stuff, makes them grow faster and produce more and whatnot. Like that would be awesome to me. Super awesome. Alright, let's see. Pop some gold balloons. Dan, we need to make sure this is safe first. Alright. $22 points. 35 points. That definitely gave us more than 10. 45? No, it only gave us 10. 58. A lot more points there. So hang on, let's have a look see this. $12, $22, $32, $42. Nah, something's wrong here. Balloon gold. So if it's balloon gold, should be bonus points modifier. Let's do a debug.log. Debug.log. Adding bonus gold points plus cool, let's try that. Let's see what happens. It didn't do it. That's why I didn't do it. No log in the console. It's not happening. So it's not picking up that it's a gold balloon. That's what's wrong. Ah, we didn't ever put that in. That, there we go. That'll fix it. Just have to drag the script over. Connect all the bits and bobs. Now it should work. There we go, 39 points. Whoa, I just added 78 points. Holy shit, look at our points now. Cool. That's that changes things up a bit. Rad. That's gold balloons implemented. What's my plan for this game? Get money out of it. My head cuts off there. That's hilarious. My plan is to make a game that people enjoy playing and are willing to do microtransactions with. And to get experience making games and releasing them on various storefronts, say Google Play and Steam, and possibly my own store once I get that coded up. What else? Stuff like that. Yeah, a few things. I just want to get good at making games so that I can make some quality games later. Cool, well, I'm enjoying those gold balloons. Let's have another play with them. I'm just enjoying playing this now. It's not adding the points correctly though. If I pop that, I get a bunch of points, but I'm getting the points from the last time I've done one, not the current time. See, if we look down here, it says like 4,600. But I've only got 2,300 points. If you want to release on Google Play soon, you need to spend money on a developer licensing thingy, which I don't know much about. Will the game have advertisements? No advertisements. I'm not planning on them currently. Yeah, I think it's like $100 for the license. I'm pretty sure I bought it a few years ago. I don't know if it's still active though. I'll have to have a look into that. Oh, so yeah, we got a bug of some kind here. Oh, you know what? No, I don't have a bug. My debug.log is bugged. Because I'm doing that after, right? Gotta do it before. But if I do it now to match my points, recompile that. Yeah, Google Play still's got stuff. I'm pretty sure you gotta pay Steam as well, don't you? I thought there was a Steam agreement as well. I had to pay like $100 there too. And then they take a cut on top of that. Nice. 270, yeah, that looks about right. Oh yeah, yeah. It was just our debug.log was in the wrong spot. Hell yeah. This is sick. Alright, let's try seeing how much these balloons grow when we slowly click them, the gold ones. Just take 3 clicks to pop, so 1, 2, nice. Maybe make that 4 clicks. No, because they pop on the 3rd, yeah, that's what I want. Cool. Right, pretty happy with that. I feel like I was getting a lot of gold balloons, and they weren't disappearing because I was not popping them, were they? No, surely not. Surely I didn't mess that up. Yeah, total gold balloons minus equals. Yeah, I've got it there. Nice. Nah, yeah, shit's working well. It's working well. Oh, have you seen how I make my balloons spawn? I love this. I got a whole bunch of box colliders. And I just grabbed their coordinate ranges. I had to use some maths and a formula. But yeah, so the balloons just spawn inside of those. And I lined them up with the camera so that they're they don't go past the edge of the screen. So that should work for all the platforms without having to change any code. That was a really tricky thing I done. I was really happy with that. So yeah, that's thinking outside the box with boxes. Pretty happy with that, pretty happy with that. Alright, so we probably should commit our code around now. Pretty happy with that. The gold balloons need to be balanced, obviously, but we'll say balancing until the game's ready. They need to grow at different speeds, and we need to make sure it doesn't crash when you click them too fast. I got no idea what's up with that. I'll have to figure out what's going on there. But nothing was really appearing in my logs, although there might be some logs somewhere if I can get cracking. I've got a crash memory.blob. How do I inspect them? Where do they go? Binary file. Let's Google that. How to read crash blob. Unity crash blob. Unity, how to read a crash blob. Alright, da-da-da. You can click on the crash in Visual Studio, so maybe in Rider? Oh, that's not great. You love how my accent morphed into posh Victorian with influenza for a split second. I could clip it. I wonder what that was. Wait, hey Quantum, how you doing? We're working on the game. We just got some special gold balloons spawning, which is pretty cool. And just now, I'm trying to figure out how to read crashes. Except I don't know where they're stored. Maybe if we go here, Unity. No, that's just a debug. Terminal problems, huh? Maybe maybe I open up the file on the computer then. This is a binary file, so I can't just read the text. What if I open that up in here? No, that's not working. Bruh. Can I open up in Unity? No, Unity doesn't want to open it. That's annoying. Alright, we gotta get rid of that debug.log in the balloon file. Are we in play mode? We're not in play mode. Stop lying to me. So the gold balloons significantly change how the points work. They add like a crazy modifier. It's pretty cool. Oh. Oh. Yeah. Ah, god damn it. How do we read these crashes? How do I... Open your projects in the Unity editor. How to analyze the monocrash blob file. That sounds like what I want. Nah, it just has no answers. Great.
Not sure what memes are gold.
You don't have to worry about that. We can just put the same memes on the gold balloons. It's all good. Or maybe they won't get them on at all. You know, maybe it'll help to make them stand out from the other balloons when they spawn in. Sort of thing. I read a dump file in Unity for Windy, but how do I... Seems like this is one that have the answer. Editor.log file. Maybe there's an editor.log file we can find? No, I think that might be helpful because we've played since then. We need to know how to open the blob. Yeah, no one answered this guy's question of how to read the blob files. What the? What the? Because yeah, look at this. This is what we got here. monocrash.mem.something.something.blob. Alright, maybe we do that. Unity. How to open a Unity. Oh my god, Quantum, you got my search history all fucked up. I gotta fix that now. monocrash.mem.blob.
Yeah, this music is sick.
And is there a way to open them? Any idea? Same here, very annoying bullshit. People just complaining they exist and not knowing how to read them. How to analyze monocrash blob files. No, it's the same link we opened earlier. No, if you didn't see it, don't worry about it, Quantum. There was auto pop-ups there that were not safe for work.
Let's get that out. Boom. Alright, I fixed it. It's gone.
No one will ever know what it was now.
For opening a text editor,
it's a binary file, so how I know I can't read it in a text editor is this here right here is a text editor. It just says it's a binary file, but I'll try. Let's open it with VS OS Code. Yeah, not a binary, not a text file, but we'll open it anyway. Yeah, shit's blocked. You can scroll back the stream. I'm really confused as to why these aren't readable. I wish I knew more about what it was. Details? No. Oh, we'll just have to live without it. I'll just delete them for now. We don't need them. Alright. So what we're going to do now is submit our code off. So we'll close the Unity editor just to make sure no changes occur. I'll have to reopen it in a minute. See in 10 minutes once you screenshot whatever it was. I could just send you what it was. I just didn't want to say it. Oh. Alrighty, so we got our code here. Let's go. We've edited the gold balloon prefab, updated the normal game mode. We've updated the balloon and gold balloon script. So we've implemented gold balloon into the balloon spawner and balloon class. Also added bonus point modifier to the gold balloon. There we go, stage all those and push them off to the cloud. So our code's backed up. Boom, boom, boom. Yeah, so Timmy, this is the Monstercat Gold library of music. Royalty. Oh, it's paid for, but it's like $5 a month. And you can use it on like Twitch and YouTube and stuff like that. Pretty cool. Now reopen Unity and start figuring out what we're working on next. So maybe we should start figuring out how to add the gold bonus at the end of the round. So how are we going to do that? We need to know which balloon's the last balloon. We need to have an idea of what balloons are on screen. So something does know that. The wave manager. So basically we need to tell it when we have no more new waves spawning, I think is what we want. Waves list, balloon spawner. Yeah, it's gonna be in the wave manager. And the wave manager's gonna have to tell the school manager something. Yeah, we'll probably have to change this into an event system eventually. But for now we can just work like this. So be the wave manager. Let's see what I'm looking at. Because you asked questions. I had to. You were like, you're asking silly questions. Silly questions need silly Googles. Alright. So what am I gonna call this? It needs to be a Boolean. So serialized field, read only. Private bool. Final wave generated. Is final wave generated. Something like that. And basically, when the final wave is generated, we need to mark that as true. So public bool get is final wave generated. It looks like an asset file. It's like, yeah, it's some sort of binary file. But I don't know how to open it. The asset file could make some sense, but like I tried to drag it into the Unity editor and it didn't do anything. But I guess I didn't pull it down into the assets. Maybe I should put it down to the assets folder and see if I can open it. Next time one gets generated, that's an idea. Return is final wave generated. Alright, next. Public void final wave is set final wave generated, and is final wave generated equals true. And we'll change that up here to start off on false. Nice. So now we have a variable that can tell us if there's no more waves coming. And then next, basically, if the last balloon is popped, if all the waves disappear from the list, so alright, so if is final wave generated, we'll just do it in here for now. We will have to change this to an event system later. To do change to an event system that other classes can pick up from. Alright, cool. So, if final wave is generated, / score manager apply gold balloon bonuses. And we'll have a private field up here. Private bool is gold bonus applied, which doesn't need to be readable in the editor because we'll just use it in this code once. So if is final wave generated and not is gold bonus applied. And then we need to add some stuff to the score manager. So I don't think we have access to the score manager, do we? No, so far we haven't had need to. Yeah, so this is going to be one of the reasons we'll have to change this to a event-based system, because this class really shouldn't have access to the score manager. Before you learned Unity, you learned CopperCube, which is a 3D game maker with code, or optionally you can use JS. Cool. Very cool. I haven't heard of that one. I pretty much jumped straight into Unity. I've done some like Minecraft modding, but that's pretty different. I never got far into that until after I was done the Unity stuff. Alright, yes. So serialized field, private score manager, to do remove when adding the event system for end of game. Because we're going to use that event system to pop up this scoreboard and stuff too. A lot of good games are made in Game Maker. Yeah, I've played with Game Maker stuff. I don't know. I've messed with Unity for 2D stuff, so I'm pretty happy with Unity. There's a lot of resources for it. It's got a lot more like depth to it than last time I checked out GameMaker, but GameMaker might have changed since then. Alright, so School Manager dot. I'm gonna have to make an apply gold bonus function here. So public void apply gold bonus. I'm gonna have to have some stuff here. A serialized field, read only, private int gold balloons popped. And I'll have to add a thing for that. Down here we'll put these. Apply gold bonus and public void add gold balloon popped. We'll just do one at a time. Gold balloons popped plus. Change that to equal 0 to start off with.
Whew, Undertale was made in GameMaker. Oh, really? That's pretty cool. Undertale's a pretty cool game, yeah.
Yeah, it must have come a long way because I couldn't imagine anything like that being made when I first played it. I think I used like GameMaker 3 or something. It was like a long time ago. It was like 2011 or something. Alright, so gold balloons popped, apply gold bonus. So pretty much whatever we've done in this class over here. We need to store what the gold bonus is too. We need to... yes, this is a little bit complicated. So we need to know what the gold bonus is in School Manager. So we have to store it when we pop a gold balloon, maybe. That seems kind of pointless. I'm still in the same variable in 2 spots. That could cause problems later. Yes, sus. Alright, well, I guess it's the only thing we can do right now. Read only private float gold balloon bonus modifier. Public void apply set gold balloon bonus modifier. Modifier float modifier. There we go. Gold balloon bonus modifier equals modifier. Apply gold. Alright, so then when we're ready to apply the bonus modifier, we go something like this. Points multiplied by gold balloon modifier. But we also need the number of gold balloons popped. Because that's got to affect it a bit. So multiply that so that. Let's do it additive. We can do it additively or multiply. Let's do it additively. Multiplied by gold balloons popped. So if you got a 20% modifier, you'd have a 60% modifier for top 3. If it's times 2, it'd be times like 6 or whatever. And we'll change that later. To do change to a multiplicative increase to modifier e dot g dot 2 times 20% would be like 22% or something. 20 times by 1.2 equals 24. 24%. Cool. Yeah. So this just makes super obvious if it's working right now. So back to Wave Manager. So if it's the final wave generated and gold bonus is applied, score manager dot apply gold bonus. Cool. And when a gold balloon is popped, we want to score manager dot add gold balloon popped. Score manager dot gold. Set gold balloon bonus modifier to balloon gold dot get bonus points modifier plus 1. No, it's already got the plus 1 in it. There we go. That should have it working now, so let's go test that. I should have it working at the end of the game. We need to rework that significantly. But just to get it working now, this should be what we need. So we got what? 10 points, 20, 34, 44, 7, 8, 60, 62, 65, 68, 70, 1, 2, 4, 76. And that did not increase our points. Oh, we're not telling if the final wave is generated, right? Yeah, we forgot about that part. So, that's okay, we can figure that out. So in the way balloon spawner, if get total balloons is less than equal to 0, wave manager dot in set final generated. What does total balloons do? Yeah. Cool. Yeah. That should work. A lot of things to redo, but you know, we'll get there. Alright, let's try it again. So 14 points, something like 28, yeah. 30, no, 40. 4, 4, 55, 55, 70. It's probably most of our gold balloons now. 78, 80, 85, 88, 90. Boom. Oh, yeah, so if the final wave is generated and is gold bonus applied, So why did it not like that? Score manager shouldn't despawn. It's complaining that score manager doesn't exist or something. Ah, I haven't. Okay. Right. That's okay, I just discovered another bug anyway. We didn't check if all the balloons are done, so we need to check that the waves count is empty. If waves dot count is equal to 0. Nice. Cool. Alright, let's try it again. We'll get there. We'll get there. Oh my god. Alright, up to 16 points. 31. 44. 46. I didn't pop that one. Whoops. 58. 61. 63. 69. 67. 70. Oh shit, we went past the integer limit. That's hilarious. Lol. LOL. Oh, that's a rollover. So I'm assuming it's working. Our gold bonus is just ridiculously high. We had like how many spawn? 5, and their points modifier was 1 each. So we're doing 2 times 2. 2 times 5. 2 to the 5 is 32. 32 by like 70. Dude, that should only be like 2,000. I don't know why I done that actually. Gold bonus modifier, so 2 points. Let's just say we had 90 points times by 2 times by 5. It'd be 900. Yeah, why did that do that? Points equals points times by bonus modifier times by goblins pop. Did we not set the modifier properly? Not sure. Not sure what's going on here. I guess there's only one thing to do. Debug.log time. Yeah. Debug.log. Maybe if we get the math.ceiling part and just do the points bit. Yeah, let's try that. So we can pop all these. Alright.
Oh, it keeps applying it.
Oh, it's doing it more than once. Ah. Wave manager, there we go. The wave scanner 0 and this final wave generator is not gold bonus applied. But apply gold bonus. There we go, that's a problem. Okay, now it should work. Now it should work.
Let's give it another go.
So yeah, we were just applying it over and over and over again is what was happening there. And yes, it was far surpassing the integer limit. These goblins add a bit more complexity to it too, because they take multiple taps to hit. Makes it harder to pop them before the next wave spawns to get your wave bonus. I didn't think about that. Yeah, we got 810. We got heaps.
Yeah, we got heaps of points.
Cool. Cool. Very cool. The problem with applying the bonus at the end though is the players can't see it, right? So they need to like visualize the bonus throughout the round. Add estimate of gold bonus. Let's do that. Private int estimate gold bonus equals return that. There we go. What if we do that? Oh shit. 409, 432. Is the points gonna go down or go up at the end? Oh, that went up heaps. Okay, that's not right. Why do we get so many points that time? Ah, because the points are now displaying the gold bonus. But it's applying the gold bonus onto the gold bonus. Right. So that the game's over. We need to know that. Do we have access to the Wave Manager? We do. So what if we do an if Wave Manager dot it is final wave generated. Now we need to add another thing here. Get is gold bonus applied. Public bool. Get is gold bonus applied. Return is gold bonus applied. There we go. Something like that. That should stop throwing ridiculous points. There we go, now it's down to the proper number that I'd expect. Yeah, so I'm pretty confident that's working now. We'll just go through and play it again, just to make sure. But I should be right. So, next up we pop a balloon. Normal, normal, normal. 32, yep. It's looking good. 108, yep. Cool, 400. Oh my god, there's balloons everywhere. They're spawning so fast. 480, cool, that looks about right. If bonus applied, show actual points. If bonus, if not end of round gold bonus applied, show estimate of points. Cool. Bam. Nice. Pretty happy with that. So now gold bonus points are only applied at the end of the round, but we need to change that to an advanced system. So I'll have to refer to how I've done that in another project, another day. Not sure if I'll be able to do it on stream or not, that'll be pretty complicated. We'll probably get rid of these. I don't get used. Nah, I don't think they get used. It's useless code, it's not doing anything. Clean that up. You should see that the game still works if we check it out. Six points, nice. 92. Hey, we're getting the wave bonuses. Oh my god, this one way too fast. I'm gonna check this. Yeah, wave bonus is still being applied. Nice. Okay, we don't need the previous and What no bonuses? Cool. Rad. Oh my god, that feels so gamey now. The points look bigger. You know, even though we're only popping a couple of balloons, it's gonna make people feel sick. I like it, I like it, I like it. Cool, yeah, well that's looking pretty good. Oh, I'm pretty happy with that. So our gold balloon's working. What do we do next? Is there anything we can work on next, or do we just call it there for today? Probably should start looking at committing that code. Let's play with that first. Alright, so what do we got? Normal game mode was edited a bit. Yep, scripts. We edited balloon. And the balloon spawner. And the score manager. Made gold balloon bonus gets applied at end of round. Nice. Bam. That's pretty cool. Our code's pushing off to the cloud now. Nice, done. Done. Yeah, we might call it there. Thanks for the great stream, everyone. Again, don't forget to join the community if you're interested. Drop your follows on Twitches, subscriptions on YouTubes. I'll post a link to the Discord and the YouTubes. On Twitch, it's just below the stream. And yeah, if anyone's interested in hanging out, feel free to. Oh, whoop, that's my Twitch, not my YouTube Discord. Whoops, wrong one. Catch you later, Retro Mixers. Yeah, I'm heading off too. I'll catch you all next time. Peace.